Did you cry? Friends to cry. Yeah, so this is goodbye. So this is goodbye. Followed you back? Not really. Nice to meet you. So this is wow states. Sino ka dyan? Rosie, hello. O bagyo, layuan mo kami. Brand, thank you for tapping, Brand. Next. Ano pa? Ano pa? It's mess, but it still looks so good. Kulo. Next song. Lakas ng ulan. Oh my gosh. Lee Chen, hello. Lana. Racing in Manila. Gusto mo yun? May karera? Ba, ulan ba sa inyo? Bubuhos dito. Excuse me. Bakit ganito yung aircon? Natitrigger yung ubo ko. Ito na lang. Tan, 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 tan. Nabaliw. Ano pa? Shan, hello. Toms. Ara, hello. Ay, Ara. Ano ba name niya? DK? DK or Ara? Next song. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Ano talaga name mo? Naguluhan ako. Ano talaga name mo? Ara or DK or what? Let me know when you're free, cause I've been trying to... DK, okay. I stand corrected, DK. Hello, DK. Welcome to my stream. May song request ka ba? Song request agad. Flowers not a flower until they bloom. Like my first time living life the day I met you. Hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. No wonder I fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. There's no way pinsala'y ikinamada o binibining may salamangka. You've turned my limbics into a bouquet. Kau ay tila sining sa museo, di naluluma. Binibini kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like an akashe all my life. Sa tingin mo na ang oras mo'y lipas na, ako'y patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. I still kiss you every single day all my life. If I could paint a perfect picture of the girl of my dreams with a curvy figure, poise of an angel like a symphony. No doubt she's a masterpiece. No matter the color, you're beautiful. Boss M, you're one of a kind like a miracle. Hindi ka papanaw hanggang huling araw. Maging kabilang buhay ka ay... Andito pala si Ara. Hindi siya si Ara, siya si DK. Baby, I know the pain is unbearable. There's no way pinsala'y ikinamada o binibining may salaman ka. You've turned my limbics into a bouquet. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museong di naluluma. Binibinig kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like that. Anong your wake is so beautiful? May burol? Uy, buhay pa ako. Oh, you're awake. Di ko gets. What the heck? I'll still kiss you every single day of my life. Loko to ah. Pinapatay mo na agad ako ah. Bilis ng kamay, Chong. Nakik agad. Parang ang init bigla. Ba't ganun? Love, I wanna rock with you all night. Dance you in today. You in today. Medyo may ubo pa, pero mas ano na siya ngayon. Kumpara ng mga nakaraang araw. Like, medyo kumalma na siya ngayon. Nakakakanta na ako eh. Today, I rock the night away. Nga eh. Kaya sabi ko yung mga chill muna yung i-request nila. Linger. Cranberries. What did I miss? Wala naman masyado. Thank you, Father Hill. John, hello. Umalis na si Bagyong Christine? Ay, ganun? May kasunod na agad na typhoon. Hi, John. 1, 2, 3. If you could return, don't let it burn, don't let it fade. I'm sure I might be rude, but it's just your attitude. It's tearing me apart, it's ruining everything. And I swore I would be true. Honey, so did you. So why were you holding her hand? Is that the way we stand? Were you lying all the time? Was it just a game to you? But I mean so deep. You know I'm such a fool for you. You've got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to, do you have to, do you have to let it linger? Thank you, James. Eric, James. Thank you so much. Happy 3 stars. Namaya pa PK ko, 9. If you could get by, trying not to lie, things wouldn't be so confused, and I wouldn't feel so used. But you always really knew I just wanna be with you, me, you, and I mean so deep. Inubo. You've got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? Thank you, Miu. Ano merienda nyo? You know I'm such a fool for you. Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? Coffee. Kanina nag-coffee ako. Kasi merong hakubina kanina. So sabi ko, perfect to with coffee. Nag-give in ako. Sa babe time. Wow. Sino bebe mo? Si baby girl? And that's the $1 million question. Taas, sino ka dyan? Huy! Wala pa yun! Charot! Si Yabang naman. Yan, kumahol. Wala na alam kakantahin ko. Sabi ko, chill lang, di ba? Parang alam ko nakakantahin ko. Parang alam ko na ito. Kasi chill tong kanta to. Naiihi ako, guys. Wiwiwi ako. Barely breathing. Sige. Maya. Hindi, yan muna. Sige. Ay, hindi, wait lang. Pwede wiwi muna ako. Before anything else. Kinikilig na ako eh. Na all kinikilig. It go Halle Berry. Oh, hallelujah. Walang pasok dahil sa bagyo. Everybody gonna respect the shooter. But the one in front of... Iihi lang ako. Barely breathing. Maliit ka pa naman. Che. Bully. I know what you're doing. See it all too clear. Only taste the saline. Ganon. Ganon, VJ Val. I know what you're doing. I see it all too clear. I only taste the saline when I kiss away your tears. You really had me going, wishing on a star, the black holes that surround you. Gagi. Che, ewan ko sa inyo. Iba-block ko kayo. Inubo ko dun You really can't be serious to ask me why I say goodbye. 'Cause I am barely breathing. I can't find the air. I don't know who I'm kidding. Imagining you care. Thank you, ID number. Oh, ang ganda ko daw kahit ano. Ano daw, kahit sa... Ba't sayang sa ang anggulo? Oh, VJ Pal, nabasa mo ba yun? So certain now I can figure out what is this attraction. I only feel the pain, nothing left to reason, and only you to blame. Will it ever change? 'Cause I am barely breathing. I can't find the air. I don't know who I'm kidding. Imagining you care. I could stand here waiting, a fool for one of the day. I don't suppose it's worth the price. It's worth the price that I would pay. Yeah, yeah. But I'm thinking it over anyway. Yeah. I'm thinking it over anyway. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tutok yan. Baka ikaw tutok. Tutok sa tigyawat ko. Come to find I may never know. Oo nga boss puso ko sa'yo. Sish. Rise above, I sink below. With every time you come and go, please don't come and go. Di ko po alam yan, Harris. May iba pa po ba na song request? Duet. Kanta ka nga. Ay, kakanta ko ng ano? December Avenue. Wait lang. I don't suppose it's worth the price. It's worth the price. The price that I would pay. Yeah, yeah. Thinking it over. Harris, baka may iba ka pang song request. Sorry. I know what you're doing. See it all too clear. Si Boss M din ang niya, pangalan niya. Imusenti. Boss M din. Parehas kayo. Thank you, Lef. Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Sa ngalan. Pag-ibig. Mataas boses nito, no? Ni Zell, yung vocalist nila. Taas ng boses niya. Yung parang tipong papunta na sa piyok. Ganun. Taas ng boses. Boss-bossan na.
Covers PH.
Okay, bye. Tonight. Ano? Okay, bye. What? Kaya nga, diba, VJ? Ang taas. Kahit sa babae, di ba, pang... Ay, hirapan ako.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated.
Pangbili VIP.
Subscribe. Covers PH.
Eto, alam mo to, VJ Val. Ito. Hindi ko mapigilan kasi. Kaya maganda dito. Kahit ako di ko mapigilan. Ito, alam nyo to? Bilang tila ba lahat ng bago na Ulan na ng siglang iyong mga mata Yun ko lang naramdaman Ang lamig ng gabi Anong binahog? Ano yun? What does it mean? Bakit ka nag-iba? Meron na bang iba? Sana sinabi mo para di na umasang may tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo hahayaan naman kitang sumaya at umalis. Sana sinabi mo para di na umasang may tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo hahayaan naman kitang umalis. Binibilang ang hakbang hanggang wala ka na. Babaka sakaling tilingon ka pa. Hindi na ba mababalik ang mga sandali, mga panahong may lahat? Baka umiiyak ka na dyan. Bakit ka nag-iba? Meron na bang iba? Sana sinabi mo para di na umasang may tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo hahayaan naman kitang sumaya at umalis. Sana sinabi mo para di na umasang may tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo hahayaan naman kita. Sana sinabi mo para ang mga ayaw mo'y aking iibahin. Di ba sinabi mo basta tayong dalawa'y sasaya ang mundong mapait? Di ba sinabi ko gagawin kong lahat upang tayo pa rin sa huli? Biglang nalaman ko may hinihintay ka lang palang bumalik. Sana sinabi mo, Conrad, ano bang nagawa kong mali? Sana sinabi mo para di na umibig ang puso ko muli. Sana sinabi mo para di na umasang may tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo hahayaan naman kita. Sana sinabi mo para di na umasang may tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo Oh, thank you, Kuya Conrad. I appreciate it. Luffy, hidden hello.
Sinking.
Thank you, Les. Maganda ba yung pagkakakanta ko? O pangit? Yung ubo. Yung ubo yung nagdala.
Shattered dreams, broken heart. I'm ending on the shelf. I saw you holding hands, standing close to someone else. Now I see all alone, wishing all my feeling was gone. I give my best to you, nothing for me to do, but I won't let's cry, won't let's cry, before I leave it all behind. I've gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living a lie. I guess I am down to my last cry. I was see you were there. Guess we never could agree. While the sun shines on you, I need some love to rain on me. Still I see all alone, wishing all my feeling was gone. Gotta get over you, nothing for me to do, but I won't let's cry, won't let's cry, before I leave it all behind. I've gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living like dice. Gotta be strong, 'cause round me life goes on and on and on and on and on.
Edgar J. Hello.
I'm gonna dry my eyes right after I end mine. Won't let's cry, won't let's cry, before I leave it all behind. I gotta put you out of my mind for the very last time. Been living life I guess I'm down. I guess I'm down. I guess I'm down to my last ride. Sino tumawag, Boss M? Si Kwan. Palakpak na naman, Les, ah. I think you're impressed. Charot. Let me be the one. Kota ka na, Chad. Charot. Tails 1. Hiningal. Kasi naman, Chad, eh. Mga nire-request mo, eh. Let me be the one. Just one. Tails 1. Sinking. Sorry na po. Ganda to sa piano, ah. Aralin ko nga rin yun. Lakas makaano nito. Emote. Emosenti. Totoo ba? Emosenti. Sige, bili ako. Assalamualaikum. Somebody told me you were leaving. I didn't know.
Jeremy, hello.
Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show.
Tanungin mo si Chad.
Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. So you're walking out the door, but he told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you'd been dying, but didn't want to fight. Nobody told me that you fell out of love for me, setting you free. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't feed, I need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses.
Boon. Hello.
Say our love is true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye.
Jason.
Daddy told me you still love me. I don't know why.
Chronicles, hello.
Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back when love is real again. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love is true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye. Just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this. if you love me still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test, or we can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest. You will always have my heart. Let me be the one, be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love is true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye.
Boss M mo, pamunas. Zach, hello. Before I let you go, bakit ka ganyan? Mapanakit ka, Chad. Bakit ka mapanakit? Arte, putik. Para saan? Buset. Boss Emma, pamunas mo. Para sa luha mo. Diba? Yun. Kaya mo yan, Lods. Chad, may pinagdaraanan ka ba? Ba't nandadamay ka? Ba't dinadamay mo ka? Parang ano siya? Mababa for me. To. Ay, eto, Still. Sino kumanta niyan? Goodbye by Air Supply. Taragis. Chad, kaya mo yan. Chad. Sino kumanta ng ano? Still. Brian McKnight. For a while, to love it all or no. Ever need a love as strong, so long. Ooh, piano.
More than enough.
Bakit sira yung sa'yo? Parehas, di ba dalawa yung puti na wire? Parehas yun sira. Ba't naman ganun? RB. Do you hear that, Alin? Alin? Alin less? Sino tong o ano-ano? Ah, si Be. Wala ko si Jubins na naman eh. O ano? Balita. Yes, Chad. Si Brian McKnight. Maninipis kasi wire sa loob. Ah, dito sa mic ko, siguro, Les. Meron pa ba hanggang ngayon? Kinakalimutan mo na ako. Paano kasi? Ang dami mong account eh. Isa lang. Sa o kaya dalawa, pwede na yun. Ayan, boss yan. Ay, yan ba lagi gamit mo? O, kamusta ka naman? Parang panay ang gala mo ah. Panay ang road trip mo dyan ah. Nakukyutan ka ba sa Labubu? Sorry, pero hindi. And, aside from that, I think it's overpriced. Pero, obviously, hindi naman ako yung target market. So, okay lang yan. Tsaka pera nila yan. Hindi ako nakukyutan. Sorry. Umorder ako ng Labobo. Parang mali na bili ko ka. Visit ka. Free as a bird. So, yun. The damn thing is ugly. Baka magalit yung mga mahilig sa Labubu. Is it Labubu or Labubu? Kasi may narinig ako nagsabi, Labubu. So, di ko alam alin yung tama. Goodbye. Sige, kantahin ko yan for you. Imbes na nagaluto, nagalabubu. Sira ulo ka, Boss M. May opinion only. Ako din, parehas tayo. Oo, sumasabay lang din naman sa sa trend. Sino ba nagpauso niyan? Si Jennie yata ng Blackpink. Tapos, yung mga artista, pinapakyaw ang mga labubu. Pinagpapakyaw, magkano isang piraso nun? 30K yata. Diyos ko po, di na, uy. Ako lang yun Ayoko gamastos ng ganun. Para lang sa... Dili na ako mag-talk. Sorry. Teletubbies. Mike, kamusta ka, Mike? Alam ko ba to? Ay, sorry. Siya later na lang, madam. Garago. Sige. Bye-bye, Inats. Hala, ito pala yun. Pero iba pa. Uy, iba pa nga. Ang lulungkot naman ang kanta mo eh. Iba pa. Ito pwede pa eh. Ito alam ko. Uy, sige lang, Boss M. Wala yun. Konnichiwa sa imong tanan. Oo na, sorry. Sorry na, pwede ba? Buhay ko nasa'yo. Natitiis mo ba ako? Oh, baby,
Wag sana magtampo. Sorry. Nog. Pinaamoy ako sa nog. What's that smell? You're bored? Okay, I'm just gonna sing so you don't get bored. Naamoy ako amoy sunog kanina. Tapos nung pinatay ko yung aircon, nawala na yung amoy. Smell of boredom. Jojo, nandiyan pa ba si Jojo? Amoy sunog talaga kanina, what the heck? Kaya yun. Natakot ako ah. Sa mga nakasaksak kaya, wala. Dito pa ba si Jojo? 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 Burn food, hindi. Amoy ano. Itong appliance, ganun. Parang kuryente. Amoy ganun. You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly is the sweetest thing. And it don't change if I had it my way. You would know that you are. Last song ko na to, guys. Ah. Babalik ako for my PK later, okay? Kaya nga eh. Amoy talaga. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. I have to end na, guys. Babalik ako mamaya for my PK. Okay? I'll be back later. Hayan. Paano mo nalaman? It smells bad. I don't know what that is. I can tell. Mamaya na lang, guys, ha. Check na muna namin itong kung ano man tong nangangamoy dito. Hindi ko talaga malaman kung alin dito yun eh. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye!